Hey guys, this is Jesse.Davenport from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today we're going to take a look at a 2019 Torque. This is a T322. Come on inside, we'll take a look. This one's got a little outside kitchen here. When you come inside here, this has got all the new colors with the 19. It's got the white counters. It's got all the new cabinets inside. They went to a new one big giant sink. The bigger, huge microwave, and all the new oven, the backsplash. This one inside is a garage model, so separate. This has the big couches with the Thomas Paine furniture inside. Got little controls here with little vibrators and stuff. It's kind of nice. When you come around the back here, this one has a garage, little bathroom in there. You got nice little cabinets up above here to put stuff. The nicer hinges. It's gonna have a high ceiling because it has a nice arch ceiling. You got the double beds in the back with a little bit. The patio goes out back with the area there with the screens that come down. This is all ducted. Very nice back here. If you come up front here, got the high ceilings. This one has a bathroom. One thing about this one, you can see the shower, big tall, lots of room, lots of cabinets. There's air conditioning in here, skylight, and a fan up above. Bedroom, you got ducted AC, cabinets all around the top here. There's plug-ins up above to plug stuff in. You got a little spot here you can turn your generator on. Lots of room here. And if you got any questions there, you can give me a call. My cell phone's 541-515-0764, or the number's on the screen. Thanks.